Hello children, I welcome you all to English class of class 7. Today we are going to discuss about our unit 3. In this, we discuss our first two readings. Reading A, Puru the Brave, a play. Reading B, Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead, a poem. Let's know about them. Let's know about Reading A, Puru the Brave. It's a play. It's an interesting episode that happens between Alexander the Great, king of Macedonia, and Puru, the king of northern India. They both fought against each other in the War of Jhelum. King Puru, the king of northern India, along with his great army, tried to restrain Alexander's army, but as he was badly injured, he had to lose this war to Alexander. He was finally captured and was chained. One of his generals describes to Alexander that Indian soldiers fought like devils in the battlefield. Alexander even says that even though they followed old methods of warfare, it was really to be appreciated that every one of them still fought like tigers. Alexander was told by one of his generals that it was really amazing to watch how King Porus fought in the battlefield. Alexander's general describes it to him that King Porus continued to fight even when others had left the field. He says that King Porus might have killed at least 100 of the men and injured many more with his sword. After he was badly injured, he lost to them. Alexander says that he had a great respect for King Puru and inquires his soldiers about him. He then orders to unchain and get him to the courtroom. He asked Puru how he should be treated, and King Puru replied that he is not interested to be his vassal and says that he wanted to be an independent king. King Puru even says that he wanted to be treated as an equal to him. Alexander was surprised as well as convinced for his bravery and agrees to his conditions, and finally they both become good friends. Children, isn't it a proud moment that we had such a brave king from India? Let's know about Reading B, Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead, a poem by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Reading B, Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead. Children, I'll summarize this poem for you. In this poem, Alfred Lord Tennyson wanted to discuss much about the war heroes, and especially the immediate reaction at home when the war hero who is dead reaches his home. The poet clearly depicted the feelings of warrior's wife who was eagerly waiting for the arrival of her husband, but he was brought home dead. She was shocked to receive her husband in a lifeless way. She just sat like a stone image. She neither lost her consciousness nor she cried. All the maidens who came to support her in her troubled times wanted to do something to make her cry and help her in letting out her pain. They sat beside her and tried to praise her husband, calling him a lovable person, true friend, and so on, but all of them were unsuccessful. So one of the maidens slowly goes near the warrior and tries to move the cloth that was covering his face. Yet there was no change. Then a nurse who was in her 90s stands up and brings the baby and keeps the baby on the lady's lap. Immediately, like how unexpectedly a storm comes in summer, came the tears rolling down out of the wife's eyes. Looking at the pitiable situation of the baby, as the baby was fatherless, the lady cried so hard, saying that she would live for the baby. Children, you can carefully observe how the poet tried to bring out the warrior's wife's feelings. Children, I hope that you understood the two readings. Thank you all for listening to the class. Happy reading. Let's meet in the next class.